IELTS Speaking Part 2 Question Keyword. Describe one of the important gadget in your life, how it is so important in your life, and how to use it, and what sort of feature it has. Explain all these things. Well, one of the most valuable gadget in my life is definitely computer. It has become indispensable in my life because now I'm used to emails all the time. So it's become a part of parcel in my life. So definitely computer is one of the most valuable gadget. The reason why I like most computer because it's offered me multitude of benefit. For example, it is still connected with me throughout the world. I can do I can do so many things. It's offer me versatile of work. Like while I'm doing some browsing and with internet, and I can get connected all over the world. Whatever I can do research assignment, I can do video editing, content writing, office work, homework, everything. I'm doing with my computer. So it's not only is a device, it's also blessing in this era, because without computer we can't do nothing. Our homework, our office work, personal, official, everything in we are doing everything with computer. So it's a totally blessing in this digital era. Well, in terms of uses, is quite straightforward to use that. I'd like to narrow down something. Computer has various types of application, web browser, such as Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Bingo, and so many things. And it's quite handy and easy to use, easy to access. Whatever I like to do, it's very application are so easy. As I said, is it easier and easy to access, easier, useful, very useful to use, user friendly at all the application. That's the best thing. Finally, I'd say computer provide me incredible benefit in my life. I always stay connected with my computer throughout the globe. It's not only help us to for our works, assignment, whatever I like to do. It is always beside me. It stay always beside me, and there are various. It provides me so many tools, resource to succeed my work. So it's one of the best component I would say in my life.